Hello guys, gagawa tayo na how to make a moving armor without mods in Minecraft with powered rail like this. Like this. Pupunta tayo dito at mag-create ka ng bagong world. Ito na. At ayan na. Pipindutin mo na yan. Ito. At hintayin mo. Wait a minute. Ito na. Ito na. At pupunta tayo sa
chat to open.
Kukuha ka ng anong gusto mong blocks pang decorate. Lalagay mo dyan. At kukunin mo yung power grill. Ayan na sa kamay mo. Minecart. Ayan na. At don't forget maglagay ng redstone torch at armor stand. And like that. And we will go in the position of when you want to go. Like that. You can like this. You will like this. And tatanggalin mo to sa gilid. Ayan, nag-arog na kaan. Harangan mo yan ng ganyan. Para yung ito. Tapos wait. I am lagging. Wait, sorry. Sorry guys, I lag because I forgot to turn off my Wi-Fi. And let's go back. Let's go. Like this. Harangan mo dito sa corner. At ilalagay mo yung minecart dito. Ilalagay mo na yung armor stand dyan. At ayan, i-drop mo. Tatanggalin mo yung quartz. Tapos ayan na. Pag natanggal mo na yan, mag-design ka na. Don't forget, i-ano mo dito sa taas. Tatakloban mo. Ayan na. At ayan. Tatanggalin mo na lahat ng nasa kamay mo at huwag mo ito itapon redstone torch. Tapos ito head, tapos yung anong gusto mong head na pwedeng anuhin dito, armor. Tapos ayan. Ayan. Tapos ayan, yan. I forgot to do it. And just like that. And you will equip that. Like that. And like that. Like. And that. And don't forget kukunin yung sword nila. Ayan. Maglalaban sila. At ayan, ilalagay mo na sa gilid nila. Ipupush mo na muna yung minecart. Ilalagay mo na. Ayan na. At ilalagay mo dyan ulit. Ayan na. Thank you for watching. And guys, Please subscribe and like this video. Bye bye.